So this is a video about ChatGPT. Um, so I use it for different things, I can see. So it's not really a video about promoting ChatGPT as a product where click this link because I don't think they've got affiliate program, but so it's not really about that. It's more how you can use this, and it's free for your business. The kind of first thing you need to pay attention to or investigate yourself what it actually is. It's a very advanced robotic software, quite can do miracles to be honest. So I should have loaded the notepad up, but we'll get it here. Um, let's see. Um, So say we're going to do a Facebook post, if we can spell right. Let's see. So a lot of people just like spam posts literally all the time. But as part of our program, a part of our boot camp, our business, our whole philosophy is about giving value. So that's one of the best posts to do is a value post. So if you ask chat to write it, it might not come up with anything good, but like any computer, if you program it, if you ask it the right stuff, then it can do something. So I believe generating leads is great for any business. So we might ask it something, um, typing something in, then it is going to compute quite well. So write a great Facebook post, a really short one. Um, because when you get into Facebook in a minute, it's got the nice background, but if you type over so many characters, then you don't get that, which is fine if it's like an image or a video or something, but it might say, ask it something like, it's all about giving value and generating leads. So you need a great hook, which is something that will captivate the reader, and a call to action. So that might be a link, it might be check out my profile. So I'll ask it that. And here it's telling us something. So it's really good. It's a really short one. It's got the emojis, so we'll keep that there, and then we'll head over to Facebook. So as part of business, go on Facebook once a day. So this will be after this video. I'm not going to post this here, but I've got other videos on Facebook. It's better having the professional dashboard that you can get followers and things like that. So it's just a case of you could put it to your friends or to the whole Facebook world. Just go done, and that's it. And you would next, and you would post it, and that's how you can choose chat. That's how you can use ChatGPT for your business. So we're still in ChatGPT, and then perhaps you want to go on X and not Facebook. So it's probably still loaded up. So we've got a few followers now. So from the impressions count, that just means how many people seen it, and sometimes it's a platform sharing it if they think it's good or not. We know that kind of goes on and things like that, what they think would be valuable. So these Facebook X, what their thing is being an actual community, not someone just on their spamming links. They hate that. That's not what their business is about. If you want to do that, use Twitter X ads or Facebook ads. So one of the things that works quite well is motivational reels. So if you're posting an X You could actually go on Facebook and find reels that have done well. So obviously Tony Robbins, anyone that's online or into marketing probably knows he is. So we'll search for him, um, quotes or something. It's probably best a video rather than just an image, because video is the best for our marketing, I think. So this was a couple of years ago, so it's done quite decent. So what you can do is copy a link, go to post. So X is quite clever in the sense if you just took someone's video, downloaded it, and then posted it, you think, well, he's kind of stolen that or not done it without the consent. But it's got the link from who posted this, but then it kind of goes back to Tony Robbins anyway. So you'd go into ChatGPT again, and this is what you could say this time. Right, so T's not working my laptop. So write a great X tweet, as it's no longer Twitter. And we'll go back to what he's saying in this one. It was growth or whatever. So what you could do, you could write something like that will rank for the keyword growing in marketing or something. That's it, just write that. In fact, you'd maybe not want to write that, so write a great X tweet from Tony Robbins. See if it gives some specific. Yeah, so it's got the hashtags keywords, so go to X. It's got that. Just put that in. And I've noticed with X as well, it's maybe best short. Once you post it, it will have the quote and the link, but then it's kind of hidden. You've got to press more, and that's just X. They're not going to share it to loads and loads of people. When you get it short and the image of the video comes up first, then it goes to a lot more people. So I've noticed that, and some of the reels have shared where the video is shown right there. You don't need to click on it. That's just their thing. That's what X does. That's what the platform. They'll vet it. They'll see how good it is, and then they can share it to more people. And then the final one on ChatGPT. If we go back into it, don't know what's happened there. It seems to have crashed. Strange. Maybe just stuck or something. We'll just move this, pause it. Right, so it seemed to have stuck there. I think it was computer, but it's fine now. So the final one will be YouTube, and this is it's really good for YouTube ChatGPT. So have you done videos before? Not sure if you have or you haven't. If you go to a site called Wondershare, it's absolutely free. You can create an account. There is upsells to it, just like ChatGPT, and it records your screen. So maybe the best type of video is like this, a review one, a tutorial one, and just say, for example, you have done a video about ClickBank, which is a place where there's different offers of different niches that you can promote. But it's quite good also to join some of the affiliate programs and do a video on that and have a link of that product, but also your own product as well. Say you've done a video about ClickBank, you can write this. So please write a good YouTube description that will rank the best keyword on ClickBank and also related keywords that will rank this video. So just do that, even if it's not spelled right, it kind of all corrects it. So here it is, this is the keyword. So when you're uploading a YouTube video, you're going to copy that in, and that's your main text that you're putting in, and then maybe under here you'd have your link, and then you could, if you've got a main business, you could do that in a minute, how to get a good call to action. And so you put that as the main body, and then when you scroll down in YouTube, you have to add keywords, and you just do that, and that, and it usually ranks quite high. So with ClickBank, you can be promoting certain offers and have your link, but if you've got a main business, you can write a great call to action about lifetime founder partner, which I'll have in this one, because that's what our business is, and then just do that. And copy that in, put the link, and then that's it. You'd post your video and it should rank quite high. So showing you how to use it using Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, and YouTube, and you could use it for almost anything, Pinterest, emails, things. So that's three of the main ways I use it. We do have a lifetime founding partner, just like nothing you've ever seen. So click a link on that in the description. We'd love to see you there. It's not free to be a partner, but it's free to join our free 30-day bootcamp and our free community. It's really helping people. So we'd love to see you join us, and hope you found this video good, helpful, and we'll see you there. Bye bye for now.